Hey guys, so I'm going to be starting a new series, mini bike build series on this. It's one of those old electric Razor dirt bikes that was really slow. I got it for Christmas when I was little, but I tore everything apart a couple years ago and then never did anything with it. So I went and picked up an engine today. Last night I was chilling in my room. I'm like, I just need to start this build because if I don't do it now, I'm never gonna do it. So went and picked up this Predator 212 cc 6.5 horse motor, and we're gonna put it in here. I might have to do some modifications to get it to work, but it should be a pretty cool project. I'm gonna do a whole series on like doing removing the governor from this, and I'm gonna do a stage 1 kit with the exhaust, jet the carb, and a cold air intake for now, so that'll be cool. And we're just gonna make this a fun bike. I still gotta order everything, like all the sprockets and the clutch, but be one step at a time, and I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me on this journey. So got your owner's manual right there. Cardboard and the motor. So got it out of the box here. Gonna rip all this crap off, but there it is. Now we gotta try and test fit it into that small space. So as you can see, I can't really get it in right now. I'm gonna have to either trim this piece right here or try to bend these back a little bit, I guess. But just wanted to make a video and show what I'm thinking for this build. And I guess right now we can see that we're gonna have to do some modifications on the frame to get this thing to fit, but I think it'll be fun and something different, new project. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you guys could give it a like, comment, and subscribe, that would be really awesome. I'm trying to grow the channel, and it means the world to me if you guys could just even like and subscribe. So thank you guys, and have a great day.
No man, she like the bar with the big O. range. Ride around town in the big old range. I knew it when I rap big old things. Now the little doing big old things.